Hi guys, it's Angie with Itty Bitty Crafts, and I'm coming today really quick to do a quick project share. I really love supporting other crafters, and when they put like a kit together or something, and they're one of my friends or whatnot. Or I just love the look of something or the colors of the kit. I'll go ahead and purchase it. I've got one right here. This is the what's left over from the kit, and I also got one from Rosie Posey, which I'll have to get that done soon. But so this one was put together by Olivia Hernandez. So I'll link her channel down below, and you can go follow her. So this was an altered kit mirror that she had put some things together for altered mirror. Anyways, I am so new, like I said, still to altering and, well, not altering, but layering with laces and trims, and used to doing more of a mixed media kind of layering look, or collagey kind of look. But so this was kind of fun, you get a ton of stuff, and you'll see my altered mirror in a minute, but this is some of the trims that come in her kit, in the Olivia kit. So here's, she picked out some polka dotted organza trim. And then here's some cotton trim. And then here's some dangly trim. And then this is another really neat kind of trim. It's kind of like a velvet. It's really soft feeling. And then this kind of trim here with little flowers on it. And just some bits and pieces and some pearls. And there was a brooch in a mirror. And so this is what I came up with. I have a piece of tracing paper over the mirror so you don't get a glare. But here's the front of the mirror. So her kit is, obviously basically neutral colors and very warm colors. The mirror was silver before, and I had painted it, and then I have this very beautiful antique gold acrylic paint that I treasure, and I've had it for years, and it's still amazing. And so what I did is I painted, some of the reliefs, and then I painted, the back of the mirror too a little bit, but you can't really see because I ended up covering it up. But I left the handle undecorated. But after I actually I painted it cream of chalk paint, then the gold paint, and then I put some antiquing gel over it and wiped it off. So I kind of kept the handles plain. But as far as the mirror, I went all crazy with the layers. But I was able to go around twice with everything that's in this kit. So there is so much. I mean, you don't have to make it as thick or bulky as I did, but I just loved how it turned out. So here's that first cotton piece of trim, then the polka dot, and then next I have the loopy velvet kind, and then some more of that triangle flowered shape on the front here. And then I put the pearls around to kind of just frame it out. And then I also framed it out with some appliques. These are 2 appliques that came with the kit. And then I used the dangles. All I did was I took one of the dangles and I folded it in half. And then I stuck the applique on top to kind of make a dangle. And then under that is some, I think it's bridal applique. So I kind of just, framed it out here over on the corner. And so that's the front of the mirror. I wish I could take this off so you can see how pretty it is with the reflection of the mirror. And then the back, bam. This was another piece. I didn't have another piece left because I took the full yard and I just did a running stitch and made it like a gigantic flower, I guess. I just loved that. Before I put the flower on, I actually went ahead and did the same kind of pattern in the back. So I started off with the polka dot this time, then the loop, and then the triangle flower lace. And then under here is a doily. And then, like I said, I took this full yard, did a running stitch, and made like a big gathered flower looking thing. And then this was the brooch that came with the kit, and I just put that in the center, and I just thought that that really was a good statement piece for the back. And this actually came in silver, and I just took Rub and Buff in a, let's see, gold leaf. I took this and I just rub and buffed it on and then polished it off. I like silver, but I just felt that this that the metal would look better, with gold, and then, offsetted it with the gold painting that I kind of did on the handles. But anyways, this is the back. Isn't it beautiful, guys? Olivia, you did an awesome job putting this together. I had a lot of fun. I was super excited to put it together for you. I hope you like it. And anyways, so there you go, guys. Like I said, layering with this kind of material, or medium, is a challenge for me. But like I said, if you're comfortable with what you do, you're not challenging yourself. So I always try to do one or two things now and then, just to challenge myself and whatnot. But anyways, I hope everybody's having a lovely weekend. We're a week away from Easter, and I hope everybody's doing well with that. But anyways, we'll talk to you later. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.